Welcome to the mysterious and captivating world of carnivorous plants. Can you believe it? In nature, there are plants that don't just sit still, basking in the sun and breeze. Some actually hunt in an eerie and almost magical way, like true predators. Each carnivorous plant tells an intriguing story, hiding sophisticated and surprising traps waiting for you to discover. If you're ready to dive into this unique world of nature, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any exciting discoveries. First, let's explore the fascinating world of carnivorous plants. These extraordinary plants have the ability to attract, trap, and digest small animals, primarily insects. With mechanisms like pitfall traps, sticky traps, or suction traps, Mother Nature has cleverly crafted these unique carnivorous plants. Let's discover their standout personalities right now. Venus flytrap. Can you imagine it? There's a plant that doesn't just sit still, it actually bites whenever prey comes close. The Venus flytrap is relatively small and primarily found in North America. Its structure resembles a mouth, with two hinged lips that snap shut. This trap, either red or green in color, also emits a fragrance that easily lures in unsuspecting prey. Inside, it has 3 tiny trigger hairs that act like nerves, sensing the number of touches. When the 2 saw-toothed lips snap together, the prey has no chance to escape. A fly, lured by the sweet nectar, is drawn ever closer until it lands on the trap's leaf. The fly's legs accidentally activate the small hairs on the leaf's surface, and suddenly, the jaws slam shut. The interlocking teeth seal the fly's fate, and the closed leaf acts as an external stomach, digesting the fly's soft tissues. A few days later, when the leaf reopens, only a dry shell remains. That's how these carnivorous plants hunt. What do you think would happen if they evolved to be larger with a wider range of prey? Next, we have the pitcher plant, with its incredibly unique hunting skills. The pitcher plant, also known as the water pitcher plant, belongs to the Nepenthaceae family and is mainly found in tropical regions like Southeast Asia, Madagascar, and Australia. It has a mysterious, miniature vase-like appearance, resembling tiny jars in an enchanted garden. Each pitcher is a small maze with bright colors and a sweet scent, making it an irresistible invitation for curious insects. When an unsuspecting insect lands and starts to sip the nectar, it has no idea that its fate is sealed. One particular component of the nectar, called conine, acts as a potent sedative for insects. When it takes effect, the prey becomes sluggish, dizzy, and slips down into a pool of liquid at the bottom, where it drowns. Enzymes and bacteria in the liquid slowly break down its body into tiny particles that the plant can absorb through its leaves. Occasionally, even larger animals like snakes or mice fall into this deadly trap. They may escape if they're lucky, but otherwise, they face certain doom. Let's move forward into the enchanting world of the sundew plant, where glistening drops of mucilage spell a sudden death for unlucky insects. Unlike the 2 plants mentioned above that use nectar to lure prey, the sundew plant uses its leaves as a sticky trap. Its leaves are covered in tiny hairs, each tipped with a sparkling droplet of mucilage that glistens in the sunlight like dewdrop jewels. These droplets not only add to the plant's beauty, but also act as lethal sticky traps for insects. When a curious insect lands on a leaf, attracted by the shiny droplets, it immediately becomes stuck and unable to escape. The plant's hairs start to curl around the prey, slowly encircling it, like arms embracing an intruder. This gentle yet powerful movement leaves the prey with no chance of escape. As the insect struggles, special tentacles sense the movement and tighten their grip, and enzymes begin to digest the prey. Within an hour, the insect is broken down and the tentacles extend again, ready for the next victim. Bladderwort, the fastest carnivorous plant on the planet. In a quiet, peaceful pond lies a carnivorous plant that amazes all. Bladderwort, the fastest predator in the plant kingdom. On a calm morning, a tiny tadpole swims freely, blissfully unaware of the danger lurking just beneath the water's surface. With a single careless move, it touches the bladderwort's trap. In an instant, within a few milliseconds, the trapdoor snaps open and pulls the tadpole inside. The speed and precision of this trap are astonishing. Trapped halfway in and halfway out, the tadpole wriggles, trying to break free from the deadly grip. But the more it struggles, the deeper it's drawn into the trap, where powerful digestive enzymes begin to break down its body. Hour by hour, each squirm triggers the trap, pulling it in further and continuing the ruthless digestion process. Bladderwort doesn't just capture prey quickly, it digests efficiently, allowing it to survive and thrive in nutrient-poor environments. Remarkably, it can digest nearly any insect or small creature, from tadpoles and larvae to microscopic organisms invisible to the naked eye. With this exceptional hunting ability, bladderwort truly stands as a master in the world of carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants, although unique and fascinating, also pose various dangers to both humans and animals. Plants such as Venus flytrap, Nepenthes, and Drosera have the ability to capture and digest small insects or animals to obtain nutrients. They can thrive in nutrient-poor environments and grow robustly by acquiring nutrients from living organisms. While these plants typically do not attack humans, some species may pose a danger if there is direct contact, especially when individuals are not cautious. Some carnivorous plants, like Nepenthes, have funnel-shaped leaves filled with acidic liquid, which can cause burns or skin irritation with prolonged contact. Additionally, these plants can harm small animals such as birds, frogs, or mice, trapping them and preventing escape. Furthermore, the growth of these carnivorous plants can disrupt ecological balance if they proliferate excessively or are introduced into unnatural environments. While these plants do not directly present a large threat, if not understood and handled carefully, they can lead to serious consequences for other organisms in the ecosystem, including humans. Carnivorous plants are truly living proof of nature's creativity and adaptability. Each species, with its unique hunting and digestive mechanisms, not only helps them survive and thrive, but also enriches the diversity of the plant world. These sophisticated traps, from pitfall traps to mechanical traps, showcase nature's ingenuity in sustaining life under harsh conditions. I hope this video has allowed you to appreciate the wonder and richness of the world of carnivorous plants. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. Thank you, and see you next time.